Everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? Wagwan. So into today's video, I'm just gonna try yes, I'm gonna try if I shave my face. I see a few videos on YouTube of them shaving their face and stuff like that. So I say, alright, you know what, I'm gonna try if I shave my face and see how that work out. I did wax my face before, and the feeling that my face feel afterwards, it did feel good. Before me get into it, me did pluck out some hair that me have down here. They're thicker on my chin, so yeah, basically me have a beard. So me pluck out the hair them down here because me don't want the too much tugging or whatever with the razor. So I did that. I went ahead and do that, get that out of the way. I also cleansed my face, which you'll see I've speed up clip right now.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
face do feel good. So if you feel like say you want to do a shave too, do it now and try it out. But be careful though. I never cut myself, so I'm glad, I'm happy about that. I don't know if because I never apply too much pressure, but I'm okay with that. My face feels smooth. My face feels smooth and it feels soft. Yo, I feel good. I feel good about this. I feel good about this. So I don't know how long before you must shave again, but I guess if you start to feel, or I don't know, I have to look up that part. But yes people, that's it me for this video. If you do like the video, please thumbs up and comment if you want. Comment something and ask me something. No? Comment something, man. Comment something. So yes, me love the feeling on my face right now. If you want to give this out a try, go ahead and give it a try. You see how your face turns out. Probably even good for your face too. If you clear up all of them something I want me to go through. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Anyway, remember to subscribe. My link is on my other videos then. Alright, later.